family? Let me ask you a question. Are you one of those people that goes to the supermarket and when the cashier asks you if you want a receipt, you say,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please tell me that's not you. Did you know that you can earn $200 a month or even more just by scanning receipts? You gotta watch this video all the way through because by the end of this video, I'm going to change your entire thought process about receipts. And if you need a little incentive, just take a look at the fact that just one of the apps that I use to scan receipts, I've earned well over $1,500 just by scanning receipts. I'm about to put you onto game. But before I give you the tea and let you know exactly how to go about doing this, you know what you gotta do. Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like this video by hitting the thumbs up button. And also please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And if you are new here, let me know in the comments that you did so I can say welcome. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video of how you can earn $200 a month or even more just by scanning receipts. Let's go. If you come to my house, you will see a whole bunch of receipts because I do not play. I look at receipts as money because they really are money. You keep being my friend and watching my videos, I just might invite you over. But the fact of the matter is I look at receipts as money, and you can start with these apps that I'm about to give you in this video today. And let me just note that every app that I'm going to tell you about in this video is completely free. It's not costing you anything to use these apps, and they will actually pay you for scanning receipts. So let's start with this oldie but goodie, and it's called Receipt Hog. So let's go into my phone and I'm going to tell you how you can go about scanning receipts and earning money with Receipt Hog. When you open up Receipt Hog, this is what it looks like. So this is my actual account, y'all. It's been forever since I used it, but I know you want to know what are the rewards, like what can I get out of this app? So let's go there first. So first and foremost, you can see there are a few options to earn some money or gift cards. So we have Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, and cash through PayPal. That's money, y'all. And you can cash in as little as 1,000 coins and it would equal $5 in Amazon gift cards or the money, okay? But I love this app because they have a few other ways that you can earn some extra money. And those ways are by taking surveys, by verifying your device, or by doing hog slots, which is basically spinning a slot machine, but you have to scan a receipt first to get access to that. So let's do that. So of course, I'm not showing my receipt, y'all. You know, I got stalkers on the internet, but you scan your receipt. It's a simple process. It takes all of a couple seconds. And then they'll ask you basic information about your trip, like who went with you on the trip. That's it. Like one question, that's it. So I was able to earn points that way. And as you can see, look, it's been 2021 since I last used this app. That's ridiculous, y'all. But I decided to get some extra points by doing a quick survey. It was super quick and easy. It was just a few questions. It took me all of like 1 minute and I got my 30 coins. So let's go back over to the slot machine because now I have some points. I scanned a receipt. I'm active. So now I get to spin the slots. Let's see if I can earn some bonus points. So let's pull that slot machine. Okay, let's see. Who's a winner? Okay, come on. 3 apples. Okay, so I got 5 extra coins, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I didn't win the next 2. But I want you to experience Receipt Hog for yourself, so I'm linking it down below, and I want you to let me know in the comments, how many coins did you get? How much money did you earn? So the next app where you can scan receipts and earn money, Upromise. Let me take you into the Upromise app and show you how it works. Here we are in my Upromise account, and I'm gonna tell you this app is so underrated. You can save money for college for yourself or a family member, your children, anybody you know. And you can do it easily by shopping, dining at restaurants, or doing offers. So you can keep the money that you get within the Upromise account, or if you're smart, you would transfer it to a 529 account or another college savings account. I've done free classes for parents on how to go about doing this, and I actually showed how I've earned around $10,000 for my daughter's college fund just from shopping. So if you're interested in getting that free class back, let me know in the comments. But this is how Upromise works. Oh my goodness, my lapel mic died, but it's okay. We're going to get up on the good mic. Okay, so the thing is, I wanted to let you guys know the variety of ways that you can earn money on Upromise. One of the easy ways is by doing the rebates, which is, doing offers. If you've seen any of my videos where I talked about getting rebates from shopping, this is basically it, okay? So for example, if you want to shop at Home Depot, you can click on there and then shop on the Home Depot website as normal and earn up to 8% cash back. That money will go into your uPromise account, all right? But if you want to earn other ways, this is the tea for you, okay? There are some high valued rebates when you go grocery shopping. So if you look up here at the top, you'll see there are a bunch of brands that many of us already use. I guess I was like doing a struggle scroll. Okay, there we go. With this, you can see you have Tyson, the Skinny Girl, the Sweet Tarts. I mean, these are things that a lot of us already buy. But if you scroll below, you can see if you scan any receipt, that's 1 cent back. Okay, yada, yada, 1 cent. But how many of us buy eggs, bread, bananas, 50 cents back for each one of those, okay? And in real life, you can still use your coupons. I'm letting y'all know right now, okay? Scan these receipts and use the coupons. That's how I get a lot of my items for free. Couponing 101. I just told you about it. Okay. Whatever you do, don't sleep on uPromise. This is a great way of earning some extra money, helping your kid out or kid that you know, or even yourself. So I've linked uPromise down below. Yes, they do have a bonus offer if you sign up. Using my link is down in the description. The next app that you can use to scan receipts and earn money is one of my favorites of all time. This is Ibotta. I use this every single time that I go grocery shopping. At the time that I'm filming this video, I've earned nearly $1,700 with Ibotta so far. Let me take you into my Ibotta account and give you a breakdown of how this works. Here we are inside my Ibotta app. My favorite stores are right there at the top. Now, typically you would go to the app before you even go shopping so you can see what kinds of items there would be rebates for. So, for example, if you are somebody that likes some Fruit Loops, you can get 35 cents back. I'm a germaphobe. I always get my Purell, and they're giving 75 cents for that. So here are examples of some other items they have available in Ibotta. Then they also make it easy for you because they have little tabs at the top, such as what's hot. These are the popular items. The Ollie gummies are always a popular one. And also they have another tab called Best Value. So these are the highest rebates that are available, or based on the value, these are high value rebates. But when you go back to that first page, this is the T right here. There is a tab, 100% cash back. Inside this section, you will get access to freebies. So as you can see, Airwick is $4 back. That's the retail value. So it's $4 or less in the store. So you get all of that back. And a gem for you, if it does cost less than $4, you still get $4 back. So you can actually make a profit by getting this item. Here's another one, Rowdy Mermaid Good Mood Soda. Never heard of it a day in my life, but I get 100% of my money back, so I might be picking this up. And I know you want to know about the money. So once you reach $20 in cash back, then you can cash out for either gift cards, they have a whole bunch of them, or PayPal, or even direct deposit straight to your bank account. Okay, so I put the Ibotta link down in the description. If you do sign up, they have a bonus where you can earn at least $5 for signing up under me. So do me that favor. And remember, when you click on my links, you are helping a single mom as well, because when you win, I win, we win together. Moving on to the next option, and that is Receipt Pal. And they are another great option where you can scan receipts and you can earn some cash back for your regular old grocery shopping. But let me just show you real quick how Receipt Pal works. Looking at Receipt Pal, this is my actual account. I have 950 points, and guess what? It only took me less than 2 minutes to earn these 950 points. So there are a variety of ways that you can earn points. You can scan e-receipts, not just physical receipts. So if you shop online, that's also helpful. Then you can also scan the regular receipts, of course. And you can earn bonus points by connecting your email account or your Gmail account, and also linking your Amazon account. So y'all know I shop on Amazon all the time. I'm an Amazon influencer. Come follow me, Nikki For Real. I'll link it below. but you can also take surveys to earn bonus points. So I took a quick survey, it took me all of like 1 minute, and I earned an extra 100 points. And so now I'm at 1050. Okay, so literally less than 2 minutes I earned this. Now if you do choose to scan physical receipts, this is what it would look like. The camera would pop up. Listen, you've seen one, you've seen them all. So you just snap a picture of the receipt and you get those points. All right. Now, I know a lot of you want to know about the rewards. Like, okay, what am I going to get for scanning these receipts? First and foremost, you can enter the sweepstakes and earn $250, but you can start at level 1 rewards where you can earn a $5 Amazon gift card or other retailer gift card for as little as 2,200 points. And like I said, in 2 minutes of using this app, I'm about halfway to my first gift card already. But you know how this goes. You got to check it out yourself. I'll link it down below. Now, I know I gave you a lot of gems in this video, but there are way more gems in my Strapped for Cash book, and you can actually get instant access to that. All you got to do is go to the link down below and go ahead, grab that book. Okay, let me know how you like it. But hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please do let me and the algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you're somebody that wants to put a little more money in your pocket, I suggest you check out this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.